My goal for this hosting a WordPress tutorial is to help you get your brand new website online the right way, fast and without spending thousands of dollars. Your goal is to follow along and by the end, leave a comment letting me know if everything was clear. Okay? Okay. Let's start this WordPress tutorial for beginners by grabbing a hosting or subscription. And for those who already have one, you can skip ahead to the next section. For everyone else, use this discount link below or scan the QR code on screen. This way you'll get the best current hosting or deal without needing to copy any codes or do anything extra. Okay, you follow the discount link and now you'll see several plans. I recommend starting with the cheapest one since you can always upgrade later. But if you want more resources and the latest NVMe drives, the business plan is only slightly more expensive. Either way, you get all the essentials like automatic backups, solid performance, the WordPress AI website builder, professional email, and plenty of free WordPress specific features. I'll cover those later in the video. Once the plan is picked, you'll need to take care of a few more things, mainly choosing a domain name and selecting your billing period. Billing periods in hosting are pretty straightforward. The longer the subscription, the lower the monthly price will be. So if you want to save the most with Hostinger and your budget allows it, go with the 4-year subscription. Next is your domain name. By now, you probably already have one in mind, so just type it in here. With the Hostinger subscription, you get one free domain for a year, so there's no extra cost. If the domain is available, you'll be able to add it to your subscription for free. If it's not available, you'll see that here instead. A quick tip if you're struggling with domain names is to keep it short and memorable. Most popular names are already taken, but if you're flexible with extensions instead of sticking to .com, you can try options like .info or .biz. Second, take a look at the crossed out price. This shows what the domain will cost after the discounted year ends. Some domains might cost around $15 per year, while others can go up to $5,000 per year. So before moving forward, make sure that renewal price fits your overall budget. Finally, go ahead and pay and create your Hostinger account, but I probably don't need to walk you through that part. So now that that's done, how do you create a website with WordPress using Hostinger? Once you're logged into hPanel, we can start creating a new website. Choose Hostinger WordPress and begin the installation. From here, you have two main Hostinger WordPress setup paths. The first option is the traditional installation, where you'll mainly be working with themes or templates. Templates are great if you want something pre-built, like a blog or a clothing store, similar to what you see here in this template. Themes, on the other hand, are more like tool sets that you manage yourself. A good example is Astra. With themes, you'll still need to either use a template or create your WordPress website design on your own, but you'll have all the tools you need to do that. Naturally, if you're going the theme route, I personally recommend Astra since it's free and very beginner friendly. This approach gives you full customization and is perfect if you really want to learn how to use WordPress properly. But we're not going to use themes here. We want the easiest and most convenient way to get a WordPress website online, and Hostinger makes that possible with its AI WordPress website builder. This is honestly one of the coolest additions they've made. You start the Hostinger setup, choose the AI builder option, and enter a few simple prompts about your site. From there, the AI builds a complete website for you. Hostinger going all in on WordPress AI makes the entire workflow much easier, especially if you're new and don't want to overthink things like structure and visual identity. You can still edit everything later. It's the same WordPress no matter which route you choose, but the AI builder gets you online much faster. So here are the steps. From the dashboard, click New Website. Choose the AI builder, then pick the domain name you selected earlier. You can also use a temporary domain for now if you'd like. After that, just wait a bit for the main WordPress system to install. And while that's happening, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, let's continue. Add a name to your brand or blog, whatever you're building, and choose a category here. This helps the AI make better adjustments. Then comes your part, the most difficult part in this Hostinger WordPress tutorial, coming up with a prompt. Nah, I'm just joking. If you're struggling, Hostinger can generate a description for you. You can then tweak it to better fit your needs, and voila. Next comes an important question. Should you go with Elementor or the native WordPress Gutenberg editor? This one can be tricky. Elementor is much more expensive and lets you create more unique sites, but it also changes how WordPress works and can be confusing for beginners. If you already have experience, then yeah, go with Elementor. If not, I recommend sticking with the native editor. Once the design is generated, if you don't like it for any reason, just click the button to regenerate it. And if you're happy with the AI design, click Site Setup and you'll just jump straight into the WordPress Administrator dashboard. Here you'll see a hosting or onboarding checklist along with a few other important options. In this video, I'm not going to dive deep into how WordPress works in general. There's already a ton of content on that, including on our channel. What I do want to cover are the WordPress specific tools and features that Hostinger gives you, since not many other providers offer a tool set like this. And if you want me to cover only how to build a WordPress website, let me know in the comments. But I do want to share some of my must-have plugins. For SEO, use Yoast SEO. It clearly shows page optimization and helps search engines better understand your content. After installation, go through the main setup, then make sure each page or blog post has at least one keyword, like this. Also, follow the guide below for more detailed instructions on how to improve each piece of content. For e-commerce, WooCommerce is the obvious choice. It's powerful, free, and endlessly expandable. Just a quick note on the free part. The basics are absolutely free, but keep in mind that many advanced or visual features usually require paid plugins. For security, even though Hostinger is solid, I still recommend installing WordFence to limit login attempts and add an extra layer of protection. And for analytics, Google Sitekit is the easiest way to connect Search Console and analytics without any headaches. Now that our WordPress site is ready, we can take a look at what else Hostinger has to offer, because there's a lot. You get a free 24-hour resource boost for any WordPress site, and no other provider offers this, especially not for free. Sure, it's available once a month, but again, it's free. And most shared hosting providers don't even offer something like this. There's also a built-in speed test tool that gives you clear recommendations on what to improve. It's based on Google PageSpeed Insight, so it shows the most important performance metrics. You can rerun these tests as many times as you want while working to improve those recommendations. If you want even more free WordPress tools, there's the staging tool. This creates a copy of your website that you can safely work on while the live version remains accessible to visitors. Once you're happy with your changes, you can merge the two versions without causing any interruptions. A lot of the time, this feature costs extra with other providers, but here you can use it for every site, as long as your storage space allows it. Just keep in mind that a copy is a full copy, meaning it uses the same amount of storage as your live site. The AI chatbot Cody is another interesting feature. It understands natural language and can direct you to specific parts of the dashboard to help solve your issue. It's not perfect, absolutely not, but most of the time I found it helpful and often quicker than waiting for human support to respond. So definitely give Cody a try if you're running into problems or just want to explore the dashboard. On the same page, you'll also find an AI WordPress troubleshooter. See, I told you Hostinger includes a lot of free tools, and this AI troubleshooter is no exception. It's free, automatically scans your site for the most well-known issues, and then applies fixes. So now Hostinger AI can actually solve problems for you, not just help point them out. Of course, it's AI, so it won't handle everything perfectly, and it can make mistakes. But for most beginner level issues, the troubleshooter combined with Cody should fix about 99% of the headaches. Once you install WordPress on Hostinger, you automatically get the Lightspeed Cache plugin pre-installed and enabled for free. Caching works like a temporary storage layer for your website, allowing pages and assets to load much faster for returning visitors. To manage the Lightspeed Cache settings, head back to the main WordPress dashboard where you can choose from a few different options depending on how aggressive you want the caching to be. I recommend sticking with the middle option unless you really need to fine-tune everything on your site. There's also another important part of this plugin. If you're planning to use a lot of high-quality images, they can take up a lot of storage space and slow down loading times. Large unoptimized images can seriously hurt your website's performance, and for web use, you usually don't need massive file sizes or ultra-high resolutions anyway. Most image optimization services cost a decent amount of money, but with Lightspeed optimized servers, you can optimize your website completely for free. On top of that, there are even more performance-related settings you can experiment with, but I won't dive into those here. If you want me to cover website performance optimizations in a separate video, let me know in the comments. One thing you should do immediately is take advantage of the free LLM SEO optimization that Hostinger offers for all WordPress sites. What is it? Well, you've probably heard that more people are starting to use AI tools to search for information instead of Google. This feature makes your website much easier to discover for those AI-based searches. To enable it, go to your website, Open the Hostinger dashboard, head to Tools, and click Activate LLM Optimization. That's it. If you got the business subscription from the start, or if you're considering upgrading, there's one more thing I want to show you. You can generate entire pages or posts with the help of AI. All you need to do afterward is click Publish. The AI finds relevant images, adds keywords, and optimizes the content automatically. So there's no need to copy things from other sources or keep 20 tabs open. It's still AI, so the quality can sometimes be a bit inconsistent, but adjusting the parameters or prompts usually helps improve the results. Okay. One last thing, this time for real. Hostinger Reach, the AI email marketing tool. I know what you're thinking. I don't even know where to start with marketing, and it sounds like a lot of work. But with the help of AI and a very simple onboarding process, just about anyone, no matter their experience level, can put together solid campaigns. I also recommend this tool because it helps you manage forums and subscriptions in one place. Let's quickly create a campaign. Go to Reach, connect your site, click Create Campaign, and then click the same button again and let the AI generate a template for you. All you need to do is fill in the highlighted fields, and that's literally it. It's a great option if you're looking to start marketing your small business or simply want to spread the word about what you're building. If this Hostinger tutorial has helped you so far, why not hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorial content? But alright, I think that's it from me. Your new Hostinger WordPress website is ready for the world. There's still a lot more you can do with WordPress, but I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. And if you don't have a plan yet, the best discount link is still waiting in the description, so go check it out. If you have any questions or want deeper videos on WordPress AI tools, drop a comment below. Once again, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.